Hello everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am excited to be participating in a collaboration hosted by Daveda Lane, and she has invited myself and a few other YouTubers to share with you our Easter home tours. Now, I'm not sure if Daveda will have a playlist, but if she does, I will be sure and share that with you. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing my kitchen, my dining room, and then some minor touches in other areas of my home. Now, like most of my tours, I like to allow you to watch the tour to music. I may come in every now and then and point out some small details, but if you have any questions, please leave them below and I will be sure to get back to you. Now, if you guys see the eggs on the napkin rings, those are Dollar Tree eggs that I painted. And I'm sorry, I didn't paint them. I embellished them with some jewels. And you guys remember my girl bunny? Now on the in-place settings, I do have a different look. Now these are the eggs that I painted from the Dollar Tree. Now most things on this table I already owned except the bunny and the candlestick I purchased from Ross this year. Okay guys, this tour is coming to an end, and if you are here for the first time and you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Thank you, Daveda, for inviting me on this tour. And don't forget to check out the other participants, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.